Hi everyone, myself Darshan KS from first year AIDS. My topic implementation in bin or smart bin. Smart sensor install sensor to monitor fill levels, triggering timely collection to prevent overflow. Compaction incorporate compaction technology to increase bin capacity and reduce collection frequency. Separation implement separate compartments for recyclable organic waste and general trash. Solar powered compactors equip bins with solar panels to power compaction and sensor system, reducing energy cost. Odor control integrate odor neutralizing technology to improve sanitization and reduce unpleasant smell. Accessibility design bins with easy to use features for individuals with disabilities. Aesthetics create bin with attractive designs to blend seamlessly with urban environments. Sustainability build bins from recycled or sustainable material to reduce environmental impact. Remote monitoring enable remote monitoring and control to streamline maintenance and optimize collection routes. This is the sketch of the smart bin. Thank you.